I ordered this remote control stunt car from Amazon, and now I will open the box and give it a small review. It contains this small screwdriver. See the small screwdriver, the charging cable, and a small bottle to fill the water in the tank for smoking. So it contains this car, the remote. It needs 2 AA size battery, and this gesture control remote. We have to wear it like this. We will test it later. So I will put the batteries and test this car. Added the water for this smoking effect. It needs to turn on the switch on the car and the remote as well. We can change the music. It is around 3 to 4 tracks, and either we can keep it mute. It uses that ultrasonic smoke generator. In upcoming video, I will show the internal parts of this car, how this smoking effect works, this ultrasound smoke generator and everything. In upcoming video, I will show you how to repair this gesture remote. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.